Hey there, Dyers. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code P0418. If you've got this code showing up on your scanner, it means there's an issue with the secondary air injection system relay. Stick around, and I'll guide you through diagnosing and fixing it. First things first, let's confirm the code. Use your OBD to scanner to check the trouble codes. If you see P0418, it's pointing to a malfunction in the secondary air injection relay circuit. This system helps reduce emissions, so fixing it is important for your car and the environment. Check engine light, rough idle, poor fuel economy, increased emissions, reduced engine performance, and usual noises. A diagnostic scanner, a multimeter, basic hand tools, screwdrivers, wrenches, etc. Replacement parts if needed: air pump, check valve, or hoses. The air injection pump will be placed at the front of the engine, with a serpentine belt wrapped around it. First, carefully remove the air injection pump from your engine. Visually inspect the air injection pump's pump pipe and the connector for any damages. Use a multimeter to test the air injection pump. The standard resistance should be close to 0 ohms. If you get a high resistance reading, this indicates the air injection pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. Oxygen sensors are mounted directly onto the exhaust pipe, near the catalytic converter. Locate the sensor that responds to slow as it ages. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. Once you've fixed the issue, clear the code with your scanner. Take the car for a test drive and monitor the system. If the code doesn't come back, you're all set. And that's it. Fixing the P0418 code can take some effort, but with the right tools and patience, you can do it yourself. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair tips. See you next time.